Hello friends, myself Keval Patel, Head of Automobile Engineering Department in Lakshmi Institute of Technology, Sarigam. Our topic is internal combustion engine. Okay, but first you have to know what is engine. Engine is a machine designed to convert one form of energy into mechanical energy. Today we will discuss about thermal engines. There are two types of thermal engine. First one is external combustion engines. Keep the fuel and exhaust products separately. In this engine, fuel burn in one chamber and heat the working fluid inside the engine through a heat exchanger or the engine's valve. For example, boiler. And second one is internal combustion engine, our topic. Okay. In this engine, derive the energy from fuel burn inside the specialized area of the system, that is called a combustion chamber. Okay, that means if fuel is burned inside the engines, that's why that is called internal combustion engine. Here you can see the cross cut section area of the internal combustion engine, that is your valves, inlet valve and exhaust valve. Okay, here is your piston, connecting rod, that is your cylinder block, crankshaft, that is your main bearings. Okay, then connecting rod bearings, these are. Okay, and here is your camshaft which operates the valve, inlet valve and exhaust valve. Next one is classification of IC engine. First one is according to the type of fuel: petrol fuel, diesel fuel, dual fuel, CNG. Second, according to the method of ignition: spark ignition or compression ignition. Third one is according to number of stroke, like 4 stroke, 2 stroke. Now recently there are research is going on 5 stroke and 6 stroke also. Fourth one, according to the cycle of operation: auto cycle, diesel cycle, dual cycle. Fifth one, speed of engine: low speed, medium speed, high speed engine. Okay. Sixth one, according to the cooling of system: air cooling or water cooling. Last one, number of cylinders, like single cylinder, multi cylinder, 3 cylinder, 4 cylinder engine, inline cylinder engine, V cylinder, radial cylinder engine. Okay, next one is component of IC engine. First one, cylinder, withstand 50 bar pressure and 2000 centigrade temperature. Which one is made from the cast iron, steel alloy or aluminum alloy? Second one is cylinder head. Cylinder head contain spark plug for petrol engine and nozzle for diesel engine. Which one is made from the cast iron, steel alloy, aluminum alloy? Okay. Third one is piston. The function of piston is transmit the force to connecting rod, and which one is made from the aluminum. Fourth one is connecting rod. The function is transmit the force from piston to crankshaft. Which one is made from the steel alloy or aluminum alloy. Next one is piston rings. There are two types of piston rings. First one is compression ring and second one is oil ring. The function of compression ring is to airtight seal to uh, prevent leakage of burn gases, and the function of oil rings is to provide airtight seal to prevent the leakage of oil, and which one is made from the special steel alloys. Sixth one is crankshaft. Power is developed during the working stroke, and that we can get from the crankshaft. Which one is made from the special steel alloy. Crankcase act as a pump or lubricating oil. and which one is made from the cast iron. Last one is flywheel. It stores excess energy during the power stroke and return energy during the other stroke. It maintains the constant speed of the crankshaft. Okay. Now we will discuss about working of four-stroke engine. First we discuss about petrol engine. Petrol engine is also known as spark ignition engine or SI engine. It consists of cylinder, piston assembly, connecting rod, crankshaft, cylinder head, crankcase, inlet and exhaust valve, and fins for cooling purpose. Here is the construction. You can see the into the figure for petrol engine. Okay, and working of petrol engine, there are four stroke. First one is suction strokes, second one is compression stroke, third one is expansion stroke or power stroke, and last one is exhaust stroke. First one, suction stroke, that is also known as inlet stroke. During the suction stroke, inlet valve is open, air plus fuel mixture come inside the cylinder and piston is moving from top to bottom, and that is your combustion chamber where the fuel is burned and we can get the heat. Okay, that is your first stroke. Inlet valve is open, piston moving from top to bottom, and then uh, during the second one, compression stroke, both valve remaining closed and piston is moving from bottom to top, and the temperature and pressure are increased during this stroke. And third one, in third stroke, power stroke, the fuel is burned with the help of spark plug. Okay, then fuel is burned, so the volume is increased. That's why piston is moving from top to bottom. Okay, during this stroke we can get the power. That's why expansion stroke is also known as power stroke. And last one is exhaust stroke. During this, exhaust valve is open. Okay, and piston is moving from bottom to top, and the burn gases is goes into the atmosphere. That is the working of four stroke petrol engine. Okay, second one is four stroke working of four stroke diesel engine, that is also known as a diesel compression ignition or CI engine. Okay, here the construction: cylinder, piston assembly, connecting rod, crankshaft, cylinder head, crankcase, inlet and exhaust valve, fins for cooling. Okay, you can see the construction: inlet valve, exhaust valve, fuel injector. Okay, in petrol engine here we use the spark plug, and in diesel engine here is the fuel injector. That is the only difference between the construction of SI and CI engine. Okay, other difference are also there. Okay, working same four strokes are there: suction stroke, compression stroke, expansion stroke and exhaust stroke. Okay, but here in the suction stroke, inlet valve is open, the only air is in intake. Okay, and piston is moving from top to bottom. Okay, only air is inletted. I again repeat, only air is inletted. In petrol engine, the air plus fuel is injected, but here only air is inlet. And during the compression stroke, both valves are closed and piston is moving from top to bottom, and pressure and temperature of air is increased. And in third stroke, both valves are remaining closed, and here when piston is at topmost position, the fuel is injected with the high pressure and temperature. Here fuel is burned and it's expand. So piston moving from top to bottom and we can get the power during this stroke. That's why the expansion stroke is also known as power stroke. Okay, and last one is exhaust stroke. The exhaust valve is open and burn gases goes out from the cylinder. That is the exhaust stroke. Okay, now you can clear your four stroke, suction stroke, compression, expansion and exhaust stroke. Thank you.